We want to do the setup for NSS 12 at 75E, and I've shown you the beam. Just look up. The beam is from Ethiopia, East Africa. Then from East Africa, Ethiopia, like this, it moves towards, as if it's going to Madagascar, down, then to Malawi. So East Africa and Southern Africa, but the eastern part of Southern Africa, like Malawi, is Southeastern Africa, Madagascar, and the rest. Why the South and West Africa and Central Africa, even to West Africa, they may need a bigger dish. So East Africa to Southeast Southern Africa, they may need 90 cm, 60 cm dish. While the other part of Africa, apart from the North Africa, they will need anything from 1.8 meter to 3.3 meter and above. So let me quickly give you a clue. To get this, if you find it difficult to track NSS 57 in your axis, remember it has African axis, it has African bean, it has Asian bean, it also have Australian bean, but we are just focusing on the East African bean, specifically to Ethiopia and the rest of the southern part of Africa, some part of southern Africa. So you will need to take this guide. If you can't get it directly, you can first of all track 51E, which is LCTV. You can track 55E or anything close to it. So after you've got anything close to it, you now get a clue. Like the year now is 51.5E SLTV. So I've got SLTV position now. So all I need to do is to move it to this side, then I'll take it down. Like I told you earlier in my previous videos, that the degree starts counting, the azimuth start counting from 0 degree east, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, like that, 50. So if this is 55, so 57 should be to this side. And I told you the elevation, higher degree takes lower elevation. Higher degree takes lower elevation. So 57 is higher than 51. So if we come down, so the idea is to move it while facing the dish. You move it to your right hand and you bring it down. So stay tuned to do the tracking.